We offer a replacement parts service, and the process is simple. Here is how to request a missing piece step by step. Start on the Revit 3D homepage. At the top of the page, open the Help menu, then select Missing Pieces. You will arrive on the Product Help page. First, select the puzzle you are building. In this example, we choose the cafe. Once your puzzle is selected, click on Get Resources. This will give you access to all the information related to your model. Next, click on the puzzle piece icon labeled Order a puzzle piece. Before filling out the form, it is important to identify the missing piece correctly. Start by reading Step 1, which explains how to search for the missing piece. Then move on to Step 2 and click the button to identify the piece. A PDF file will open. Use this document to find the exact number of the missing piece in your puzzle. Take your time to make sure the number is correct. Once you have identified the piece number, return to the form. Enter the name of your puzzle and the number of the missing piece. Then complete the remaining fields to finish your request. After submitting the form, you will see a confirmation message on screen. You will also receive an automatic confirmation email. That's it. Our team will take care of your request as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience, and happy puzzling.